just so we're not getting that all wet. And then you can go.
I've never used that before.
Hold. You're gonna find out.
Trade? No? Alright.
So I'm gonna check that thing over here. So all the way on off it, start to move, keep it the same pace. Once you're off, then let go. Come down, then let go. Doing it straight. So you start off, it stays straight the whole time, and then off.
Okay.
Down, stay straight. Alright? Are you pulling it all the way, the trigger?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll make it a little bit. Wow, yeah, so see how you're kind of like, you're here and then you started to pull it?
Okay.
Yeah. So start up again, start high again. Pull it all the way. There you go, that's looking better. All the way off, yep, then 50% overlap. Good. Just when you start a little further out, because if you start here, you get that super wet patch. So start a little further off, so the gun's already moving by the time it hits the panel. Nice, it's looking good. Better. Oh, we've kind of... You reckon Mum will notice?
Nah.
Nah, she'll be right. Don't do the bottom, because then the bin will definitely, it'll definitely get noticed. One more practice go. This time you're going by yourself.
Alright.
Not bad. Just one thing, you forgot your overlaps.
Oh.
So see how it's like real thick there, and then it's thin, thick, thin? That's why that overlap sort of all fades into one thing. There you go, that's looking heaps better.
Yeah.
Nice.
There we go.
Alright, we'll probably need more paint in the gun. And then you're up. Good, not too bad. Alright, so one thing. When you change direction, let go, start again. Otherwise what happens is when you move, so you go here, you're still spraying, you come down, you end up with a really thick line, and then coming back.
Okay.
So we're going to go out, stop, come down a little bit, start again.
Okay.
Would you like something to stand on?
Yeah, maybe. I'm so short. Oh, yes.
There you go. Sick. Alrighty.
I can't actually like.
Do you want me to grab those ones?
Yeah.
Get that there, fade it all in. Point it away for a second. Pull the trigger a little bit. See how it's just air?
Yeah.
So you start with just the air. As you're moving, then you pull the trigger. Yep, so get the air coming. Oh, too close, too close, too close. Yep, there you go. Good, keep moving with it. The blacks are looking really good. They're super, super glossy, but they'll still need a clear coat over it. Oh, washer bottle won't. That should be fine. That one will definitely need a clear coat, otherwise that's just gonna fade and peel and not handle the sun too well. Something I do need to do before I go to bed, I have more rust treatment for all that stripped down stuff. So we're gonna be treating that before we call it in for the night. We do need a paintbrush. I wanted to get another 1 litre bottle, but they didn't have any more. No, what's this one? Yeah. So I had to get a 500 ml, because I certainly didn't need 4 litres of it. But ideally, I wanted to get one of the, something that was like a rust bath, where I could just have the stuff sitting and soaking in it. That was ideal, but nowhere had something like that, so it's gonna be more of just brush on, let it sit for the night, clean it off tomorrow. It's kind of getting exciting actually, because once all this is done, once this car's done, it's start getting some stuff done on the Mini. Once I have money again. And it can all just get chucked back in there. Ooh, I should probably wear some gloves.